Hi, long time no see, but I'm back with a dialogue system video. And today I'm British because that makes my voice sound more like a man, not like a kid. In this video, you'll learn how to code the dialogue system, but note that this is not the most efficient one. So this is for people who want a fast and easy to understand video. If that's you, you're in the right place. So here's a scene from Cut Short, a game I made with a friend, link in the description. So this is where I first discovered the dialogue system. Now you need some UI for the dialogue. Here I made some, and to do this, just hit create text and type in the text that you want. Then it's time for coding. Now reference those texts, public, game object, text, blah blah blah. And then an integer to increase whenever you press a key to continue the dialogue. Integer number. So now we'll use space to increase the integer. So if input dot get key down key code space, then integer plus plus. And then just make if statements to set the text active or not. So now we just need if number equals to 1, set the first text to inactive and the second one to active. And that's pretty much it. If you increase it again, then set the second one to inactive and the third one to active. And I guess we'll just skip this part. And that's pretty much the whole video, what you need to know. See, wasn't it fast? One of the fastest video I've ever made. And if you like this content like this, then hit subscribe and like the video. Also, you can join my Discord server, which is a server full of nice people. And you can suggest the next topic for my video in that server too. Link in the description. Okay, see y'all in my next video.